Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Buick Envision. Stock number is A7287. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Chrome grille definitely adds a sharp feel up front. It does have the waterfall chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top, you do have a panoramic sunroof. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors on the back here. Taking a look in the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Envision on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.